course डैड ने शो देखा, वो मेरे एपिसोड्स देखते हैं and he totally loves it. खतरों के खिलाड़ी, no doubt. Oh my god, I am a sucker for adventure. So they can't be anything else more exciting. जब भी आपके बारे में लिखा जाता है, जब मीडिया आपके बारे में लिखती है, जब क्रिटिक्स आपको रिव्यू करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले वो आपके काम के बारे में लिखते हैं कि नहीं, अगर मैंने दिन में एक पोस्ट नहीं किया तो माय गॉड, हाँ, मैं अपना डिनर कैसे डाइजेस्ट कर पाऊंगी अगर मेरा पोस्ट नहीं हुआ है. बट व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील इज that looks are all secondary. First is how you perform.
Today we have with us is lovely Kavya from Anupama, your own Madalsa Sharma. Madalsa, welcome to Spotlight.com.
Thank you, Nikki. Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I am also doing fine. Madalsa, firstly tell me, this is your first TV show. What kind of love are you getting from your fans, your family, your audiences?
Well, definitely sahi kaha aapne. This is my first TV show and I'm really excited because जब मैंने सुना था, when I heard the role, I was completely sold and it rang a bell in my head. I needed to be a part of the show because मुझे पूरा पैकेज इतना अच्छा लगा. The entire story, काव्या जो है as a character, there are so many layers to her. इतनी सारी, she has so much to do in the show, so much to contribute as an actor. So when I took up the show, it's just been not even 2 months now and I've been getting such positive response from everybody. People are sending me so many messages, pouring their hearts out and telling me how much they're loving Kavya, how much they're loving the role, how much they're loving everything about Kavya. So I totally feel blessed and I feel lucky to be a part of a show which is being appreciated and loved by all.
I remember when you started this show, you told me Mithun sir was the one who actually pushed you towards TV. When you discussed it with him, he actually told you should take up something on TV. So is he watching your show? What was his reaction when he saw you as Kavya on TV?
Well, that's absolutely right. Dad suggested that I should definitely be keen on doing TV because उनके कहने के हिसाब से TV is again a very vast medium, which I totally agree to, and I'm seeing it also now. TV की जो reach है आज, it's unimaginable the amount of reach because you're being watched on a daily basis, you know. So when I took up the show, and of course Dad ने show देखा, वो मेरे episodes देखते हैं, and he totally loves it. And उनको मेरा role, the way it's written, and जिस तरह से काव्या के scenes है, जो उसका involvement है, जो story है, जिस तरह से the story is growing. He loves everything about Anupama. He loves everything about the show, and that makes me so happy. So yeah.
आप एक सेकेंड वुमन का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं और यूजुअली जो हमारी ऑडियंस है टीवी की, वो कैरेक्टर्स को काफी सीरियसली लेती है और कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स को हेट्रेट का सामना करना पड़ जाता है. तो कभी कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ? कभी कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट आपके साथ हुआ?
This is the best part, you know, because Kavya का जो role है ना, it's not a typical second woman's role. Because there are so many shades to Kavya and she's a very real girl. वो आज की लड़की है, she's very on the face and independent है, ambitious है. तो जो भी उसको सही लगता है वो वही करती है. So इसीलिए when you see the story and when you watch the episodes, Kavya is only reacting to the situations that she is in her life.
Right.
So इसीलिए Kavya is very positive at the same time. You know, she is the one जो कि story में also in the episodes, if you watch, she's the one जो अनुपमा को educate करती है that you should be independent. Of course, we love our family and we do everything for our family's happiness, no doubt about that. But at the same time, you shouldn't lose your individuality, you know, as a person, as a human being.
Yeah.
So she gives all these ideas to Anupama and tells her that you should be independent, you should take up a job, and you should feel secure अपने आप के लिए भी in life. So at the same time, you know, she's doing all this. Plus, वो वनराज से भी नाराज हो जाती है जब भी वो देखती है कि he is not treating her well. After all, वो उसकी wife है. He is not supposed to mistreat her in any way, you know. तो इसीलिए ये सारी चीजें जो है काव्या काफी ज्यादा level headed है. और जब भी वो देखती है कि क्योंकि she is so much in love with वनराज, वो इतना प्यार करती है वनराज से, तो definitely वो expect करती है कि she gets that much credit and love in return, which वनराज of course gives her at all time. But because he's a married man, he's got certain responsibilities, and इसीलिए sometimes Kavya feels neglected for her actions. when she doesn't get the same reactions in return. That's why she behaves what she behaves like. But it's also well justified in the show, na? That's why it looks completely fair, whatever Kavya does, in the show. That's why I haven't received any sort of negative comment. In fact, people, I feel so happy कि मुझे लोगों का messages आए हैं, लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि जितनी independent काव्या है, they somewhere down the line feel inspired. और अगर मैं ऐसे comments लोगों से सुनती हूँ, it makes me feel very happy कि अगर मैं ऐसा message दे पा रही हूँ लोगों को, because that's exactly what Kavya is, and if it's coming across that way, I mean, I know that's what an actor wants eventually. So I'm receiving a lot of positive response from people and touch wood, a lot of love.
So you come from a filmy background. Your mother herself is an actress. So do you feel with the people say that, if you have a filmy background, it becomes easier for any actor to get work in the industry?
Honestly, I feel that if you're from a filmy background, if you have the contacts and your parents have been in the industry, it's definitely a little easier compared to people who don't have that kind of strong contact base to get a meeting done with your director or a producer. If you want to meet somebody, your meetings will be done maybe faster. But again, that's a meeting. Now, to bag a film or not to bag a film is something different altogether. Because I feel कि अगर जो producer होते हैं, if they are putting X amount of money on you, करोड़ों रुपए लगाते हैं अगर वो एक film बनाने में, and if they're casting you, he's not just going to cast you on the basis of your family background. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, when a film releases on a Friday, that Friday is a very cruel Friday. The fate of the film, the audience, it's so smart these days, which is a beautiful thing. So the audience doesn't care whether you're from a filmy background or you're from a non-filmy background. They're just going to judge you purely on the basis of your talent and, of course, the story and the entire packaging of the film. So, like I said, meetings easier हो जाती हैं. आपका जो approach होता है वो थोड़ा easier हो जाता है. But to bag a film or a film being successful or not successful is purely destiny.
How do you see your journey?
My journey, well, मेरे लिए तो I had decided since I was a little girl, because all my growing years I've been seeing my mom act and do films and TV, and my father also, he's a producer, director, writer himself. So मैं इसी माहौल में पली बड़ी हुई हूँ. So I had decided right from my childhood कि I want to do the same thing as my mother when I grow up. And my parents have been extremely supportive because they themselves are from the film field, so they understand what passion feels like to be an actor. So उन्होंने मुझे इतना support किया. So without their support, I don't think I could have been able to survive for a longer time, because parents' ka support at the end of the day means a lot, to a child. So इसीलिए I've been very well supported by my parents, and my journey started like anybody else's journey. I tried and tried, and I started in the South. पहले तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़ा फिल्मों से मैंने शुरुआत की. फिर हिंदी फिल्में की, फिर पंजाबी की, फिर जर्मन की. करती गई ऐसा होता गया, and then now that's how my journey started, and now I am here doing Anupama.
But also tell me, people also say that being for actresses especially, just to be a good actor is not enough. The actress has to look perfect. How much do you agree with this?
See, ये एक perception है लोगों का. People feel कि just because you're on screen and you have to look बिल्कुल perfect, you have to act in a certain way, you have to एक mannerisms आपके judge होते हैं. So I feel कि ये जो एक perception है, काफी हद तक it may be true, but it's not completely true, because what matters at the end of the day is how you finally conceive the scene that you're supposed to. आप जो character play करते हैं, you might end up looking so good, you might look gorgeous, you might look phenomenally beautiful. But अगर आप perform नहीं कर रहे हैं जो आपको करना चाहिए जिस तरह से, then your shelf life kind of shortens, because जब भी आपके बारे में लिखा जाता है, जब मीडिया आपके बारे में लिखती है, जब क्रिटिक्स आपको रिव्यू करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले वो आपके काम के बारे में लिखते हैं, परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में लिखते हैं. जब भी आप खुद भी जब एक फिल्म देख रहे हो, if you're watching a film or anything, a TV show, तो आप सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि ये जो एक्टर है, एक्ट्रेस है, how is she performing? Is she doing what she's supposed to do convincingly? Is it looking real? उनका performance real लग रहा है और it's looking fake? So you might be like the most beautiful person on the planet, or however that you see yourself. But if you're not performing well, then everything is null and void, So इसीलिए I don't know whether people's perception is however they want to perceive people. They will perceive, of course, that's their individual choice. But what I personally feel is that looks are all secondary. First is how you perform and
Yeah.
whether you're making it look real. Because acting is nothing but make believe. If you're making people believe what you're doing is absolutely real, you'll be accepted as an actor for sure.
These days, we also hear that, any casting process starts from Instagram fan following of the actors. That
Mm-hmm.
popularity is dependent on how socially that particular actor is famous. You think this is one of
Um,
the recent criteria have been added to the casting?
yeah, recent definitely. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल जैसे कि social media has been given a lot of importance to because people are so active and nowadays everybody has smartphones. It's become like on the click of a button you can check anybody's Instagram profile and know what's happening in their lives, etc., etc. But again, your growth, I don't think, is dependent on your social media presence at all. Because if you see actors also who are on top these days, who are probably ruling the industries. Not everybody is on social media. There's so many people I know, so many actors I know personally also, जो कि are doing touchwood extremely well in their careers. मगर social media पे they're nowhere to be seen. You know. So again, everything boils down to only your one track, which is your performance and what you have to offer as a performer. That's about it. Social media is just going to make you more visible to people. Maybe if you're on set or if you're here or if you're there, you can show people what you're doing in your personal life or maybe in your professional life. But that's not going to help you get a film. Only on social media also, जब आप कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं, तो आप वो चीजें दिखाते हैं लोगों को. But how are you getting the work? You're not getting work by showing your Instagram profile to anybody. Because just on the basis of Instagram profile, nobody is going to judge how you might perform. So yeah, again boils down to how individually you're conducting yourself.
Madasa takes take such stuff seriously when it comes to having a. Do you take any kind of pressure of having a good fan following or maintaining your social media?
No, अगर मैं इस विशेष सर्कल में पढ़ने गई ना, I'm gonna go mad.
अच्छा,
मुझसे नहीं होगा. because जो pressure है आजकल लोगों पे, I mean even if you're an actor or if you're not an actor, people are so obsessed with this culture and I feel कि कहीं ना कहीं it's a phase, everything just rises to come back down again. It's a graph. So अभी ठीक है, graph is at its peak. But it's not going to stay there for a very long time because मैं देखती हूँ कि non-actors also, people who are driving are also on their cell phones taking selfies while driving. Are you serious? I mean, I don't understand where the entire trend is going to. But things which are supposed to be shown and things which you want to dil se share with people and with public who are following you, that's a totally different thing, of course. And I also do the same thing. But to be obsessed with it to a level where you drive yourself insane, कि नहीं अगर मैंने दिन में एक पोस्ट नहीं किया तो oh my god, हाँ मैं अपना डिनर कैसे डाइजेस्ट कर पाऊंगी अगर मेरा पोस्ट नहीं हुआ है.
और कभी-कभी तो
I'm not that crazy about.
कभी-कभी तो टीम का भी प्रेशर होता है कि that you have to post this and that you have to be active.
Yeah, they say that, but again that's a PR based thing. So when you have PRs now, so it all happens through the right channel. Right. Now publicity and everything is supposed to be handled by, like when PRs handle it professionally, so they take care of everything. They take care of right from your social media appearance to which interviews they're supposed to. It's all being conducted very professionally, So pressure जैसी कोई बात नहीं है. At the end of the day, your profile is basically your personal profile. आपको जो लगता है that the things that you want to share with people, you end up sharing that.
Yeah.
Not just to complete a particular database कि इतना करना है तो इतना करना है. That becomes very mechanical after a point.
TV, now you have come on TV. So what else would you like to explore on this medium? Like TV has reality shows, then, so will we see you doing any kind of reality show in future if get offered?
Why not? I would definitely love to explore the reality show side also. मैंने South में किया है एक reality show in the past. I would love to. I would absolutely love to because I don't think there is anything which I'm restricting myself to. because I've in the past also worked in films in different languages only for the fact that I wanted to explore every side of the industry, you know, every aspect of acting as much as I could cover. So आगे जाके maybe reality shows, maybe web, maybe another different kind of show altogether, anything and everything as far as मुझे मेरा काम interest करे and जो भी मेरा रोल हो या जो भी वो शो रियलिटी शो जो जिस भी चीज पे वो बेस्ड हो, if it's exciting, I will definitely go for it.
Is any reality show your personal favorite?
My personal favorite in reality show?
Yeah.
Khatro Ke Khiladi, no doubt. Oh my
Okay.
god, I am a sucker for adventure. So they can't be anything else more exciting.
So would you like to be part of it in future if it comes to you, or you just like to watch it?
Well, definitely I would like to be a part of it. Why not? Because I remember मैंने साउथ में तेलुगु में एक fear factor based reality show किया था called Super 2. So that was so thrilling and that was one of the best experiences of my life when it came to adventure and thrill. So why not? Definitely. I would love to. These things really interest me a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much, Madalsa, for taking out time and talking to us.
Thank you, Nikki. This was amazing. I really enjoyed our session.
Same here. It was pleasure meeting you after a long time.
After a very, very long
Very
time.
long
Thanks to the pandemic, हम मिल ही नहीं पाए.
Thank you. Take care.
You take care too, Nikki.